In this video, I'm going to show you how to close all orders in MetaTrader 4. Now, first I have to tell you that this is possible with some scripts, so if you like using scripts or automatic bots or whatever, like expert advisors or something like this, you can do this with your expert advisors in here. It's possible, but it's going to take some coding and of course some importing and stuff like that. So if you just want to quickly do this, if you have like a lot of orders, you can do it the way I'm going to show you. Now, it's not an automatic way, but it's very, very quick and you can do it in just a few seconds. So what you have to do first, you want to go to the tools button up top. So notice how if I go to the bottom and I try to click on this X button to actually close the position, it's just going to open this and I'm going to have to click a bunch of times. So for this, you're going to have to enable your, of course, quick trading. So go to tools and then options, and here you have one-click trading. Go to the trade tab, which is the fourth one-click trading, and then you have to accept and click on OK. Make sure you actually read this and you accept it, then click on OK and then OK again. When you do this, you can just go to the right here, bottom right, the trade tab. So in case you don't see the trade tab, you can go to view and then enable this terminal or press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. And down here, you can just keep on clicking the X's just like this. And as you can see, it's going to start closing all of these positions in the back. And within just a few seconds, you'll have all of them orders closed. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.